BULL stock analysis is for tomorrow, Friday, and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Webull is a buy or not for me. Especially looking at Webull now. I'm in love with this bullishness and all that good jazz. And you can see I kind of was correct about this not holding this supply zone. And just pumping up and delivering above new higher highs. I mean, obviously speaking, I'm here open-minded for just doubling down on this long side and just buying more if I could. So how that would look like is, boom, we're here. And if I'm waiting for the rules, right? Meaning that if rules are not met, I'm not looking to take anything further up. BULL. Oh, my bad. 21 results, you know, there is a decent amount of freaking videos that I'll be making with Bull. And especially now, just waiting for confirmation. I'm very open-minded for a long side. If you want to learn my exact play on how I'm able to get to those 5-10K months, just click the first link in the description, absolutely risk-free. So you can leverage my learning after 5 years. And there's 1,200 people that have tried it, absolutely risk-free.